and you're almost going to hit a mailbox. You're almost going to hit a car. Not because you're bad drivers, but because you can't see. And then your parents are going to be like, stop the car. I don't want to drive you because you scare me. You're like, Mom, Dad, I got to learn. Then you get into an argument. And if you get into an argument with your parents, it's a wrap. You're so disrespectful. Mom, I was just telling you I can't see, and you're arguing with me. So you see where this conversation will go, and you're going to lose every single time because your parents don't have the patience because they're trying to let you drive, but they got to go to downtown Detroit. They're trying to let you drive. They're going to got to go to downtown Houston, Texas. They're trying to let you drive. They have to go to Los Angeles, California. A drive that would take 10 minutes takes 20 minutes because you're driving slow. You can't see in your neighborhood. You're scared to make a right turn. You can't see the road. So you're going to be driving very slow. And then your parents are like, hurry up. And you're like, okay.